Today we're at my home garden and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about raised beds. Raised beds are really popular for home gardeners and there's a lot of reasons why. The benefit of growing in a raised bed is that you have control over the soil that you're planting into. When you build your raised bed, you purchase the soil that goes inside and you can get a blend that's made just for you. This way, your compost is already mixed in, your sand, and you can eliminate any weed seeds that you might be getting if you just dug dirt up from your yard and put it into the bed. When you build your raised bed, make sure that it's deep enough to provide room for the roots to grow down, especially if you're going to be planting root crops like carrots or beets. Now, I like to use hoops over the tops of my raised beds to control the environment of my plants. So I use the hoops to put row cover on in the springtime to provide some frost protection. But I also use these hoops to put greenhouse plastic over the top when it's warm out for hot-loving crops like peppers and eggplant. When you're building your raised bed, make sure that you build it to your size. So I like to make sure that in my raised bed, I can always reach the center from any side. This means that when you're weeding, it's less hard on your back, and it means it's more likely that if there's things growing in the center of your bed, that you'll harvest them. One of the things that I like to do is after I've cleared out everything that I'm growing for the summer months, I do a replant of carrots. You can harvest those carrots all year, even in the winter months. In fact, they get sweeter.